Hello everyone, thank you for tuning into our YouTube channel, Save Green here. And today I wanted to follow up on a video that we did some time ago on foam insulation. But before we go on with that, I wanted to tell you, if you are tuning into our channel for the first time, please kindly click that subscribe button down below. It would help us promote our channel and also support what we do. So in that previous video I mentioned, we go over the difference between open cell and closed cell foam insulation. But staying on that subject with regards to foam insulation, we wanted to show you the effects of foam insulation on your traditional home. So most likely you have your insulation in your home on the attic floor, just like this. Now the problem with that is, let's say on a July or August day, if your outside temperature is, let's say in the 90s, if I can just get the ink here, let's try this one. So for the sake of argument, let's say in your climate in July or August, the outside temperature is 95 degrees, okay? Now, you probably won't believe this, but inside your attic, it can be anywhere from 120 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit during July, August, maybe even longer depending where you are. So in some places in the southern states, you might get longer temperatures like that. You might get them from May all the way until September or October. So what's happening is you're trying to cool your house in the summertime, let's say around 75 degrees. So the temperature difference between this here and this here is so great because you're allowing the heat to come in inside your attic, and then all you have is the insulation on the attic floor to try to stop that heat from going this way. Okay? So wouldn't it be smarter if instead we got rid of that insulation? And let's just erase that there. And instead we insulated here. Okay? So now, and folks, if you don't believe your attic gets between 120 to 140 in the summertime, just leave your car out in the sun on any one of those months with all the windows up and see what happens. I guarantee you your car's going to be 120, 130 degrees. So the same thing is happening inside your attic. Now when it's 95 degrees outside, just like you see here, and you have this type of foam insulation sprayed on the underside of the roof decking, and this is your attic floor. From my experience, going up attics that have this type of insulation, the temperature in the attic is about 85 degrees, when outside it's 95. Sometimes it's even 80 degrees. Now, if you're trying to cool your house at 75 degrees, and your attic is 80 degrees, that's only a 5-degree difference that your air conditioner has to contend with as far as keeping it 75 in the house. But like I mentioned before, if your insulation is here and your attic is 140, all that heat's going down. I guarantee you this insulation that's down here, traditional, let's say fiberglass bats or blown cellulose or even blown fiberglass, is not going to perform as well as stopping the heat from getting inside the attic to begin with. And that's what the insulation that's applied over on the underside of the roof decking does for you. So if you haven't considered spray foam insulation, I hope this little illustration helps you see why it might make sense for you to do it. Because where you place the insulation is a big deal, and being that spray foam also seals, not only insulates but seals is another reason why you want to do it now. If you're going to completely encapsulate your entire attic, talk to your HVAC contractor, because it is necessary to bring in makeup air so you don't make your house completely too tight where you don't have any air exchanges going on. So you might want to do that. Talk to your HVAC contractor, get a fresh makeup air. So you're bringing air from the outside in and you're filtering it before it cycles through your HVAC system. If it sounds a little bit too complicated for you, I will try to make another video in the future. Just let me know in the comments below if you would like to see a video on fresh makeup air, and I will try to explain that as well for you. But as far as spray foam insulation versus traditional insulation, you can see where spray foam does benefit you more than having the insulation down here at the bottom, because it is actually sprayed right here at the top. So your attic in many cases will just be around 80 degrees Fahrenheit. That's it. So you got only a 5-degree temperature difference. That's what you want when it comes to saving money on your cooling costs. So if you have any questions or any comments, please post them below in the comment section. I'm very good about replying to your comments or questions when you do post them. So please do that, and I will try to get to them as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly hit that subscribe button. It will help us in producing more videos in the future and supporting our YouTube channel. Thank you once again for watching. You all have a great day.